We are Skillpack, and together with 10pack, we form the Skillpack Group. Skillpack delivers complete technical solutions for the industrial sector, with a strong specialization in packaging machines and processes for the food industry. 10pack focuses specifically on the retail sector, with packaging solutions that seamlessly align with the needs of that market. Our technicians install and maintain production lines in the Netherlands, Belgium, and various other countries, 24/7. They think proactively, act from a sense of responsibility, and work towards one goal: keeping your production process running at its best. We don't just strive to be reliable, it is our way of working. We honor our commitments, think in solutions, and build a partnership that you can rely on. Whether it concerns a standalone machine or a complete packaging project, we guide the process from start to finish. From planning to realization, we take the full project management off of your hands so that you can focus on what you do best. Curious about what we can do for you? Get in touch at skillpack.nl.